largely by his exposure to the nationalist ideology promoted by the RSS. From a very young age, Vajpayee was inclined towards literature and poetry, and this shows that he was not only a political leader with political skills, but also was a leader with poetry and good literary skills. Now,
the great organization shaped the great mind of the great leader, Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Later on, he was also one of the founding members of Bharatiya Janata Party.
Thank you, Garrett, for inviting me here. क्या हार में क्या जीत में, किंचित नहीं भयभीत में, कर्तव्य पथ पर जो भी मिला यह भी सही वो भी सही, वरदान नहीं मांगूंगा, हो कुछ पर हार नहीं मानूंगा. Respected Principal Sir, respected Ma'am, all staff and my dear cadets, a very good evening to all of you. Today is a very special day for all of us as our nation marks the 100th Jayanti of our beloved former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji. Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji stand tall as a statement who continues to inspire countless people. Our nation will always be grateful
Inspired by the gifts of Magi, the exchange of gifts symbolized love and goodwill. If we talk about the further traditions, that is caroling, singing Christmas carols spread the joy and festive cheer to others. That is, and one more, that is Santa Claus, which I think almost all children likes. A symbol of giving, inspired by Saint Nicholas, who was known for his generosity. Now it is time for paying family and spread joy around the world. So now I would like to take the mic to Aditya Kaushik.
As Pushpinder tell you what is Christmas. Now I would like to tell you about the tradition and its rituals. Christmas originated as the religious observation marking the birthplace of Jesus in Bethlehem in 2000 years over ago. The holiday evolved by marking Christian traditions with older winter festivals and customs. The first recorded celebration took place in Rome 4th century. Now, I would like to discuss about its traditional and how it's celebrated and what its spirit had. This tradition brings people together and help pass down culture and familiar meals. These traditions bring people together and help pass down culture and familiar value. It is also a time for charity, helping those in need and spreading the joy to those who have less fortunate. Christmas is about kindness, love, joy and sharing. It unites people of all cultures and belief, spreading peace and goodwill. Now, in this, families exchange gifts, decorate homes and share gifts. Various countries have unique ways of celebrating such a festival, market, parades and charity events. Santa Claus and his reindeer deliver gifts to children around the world. Now I would like to pass the mic to Pushpinder.
As Aditya Kaushik told you about origin of Christmas and rituals and how it is celebrated. Now I would like to tell you about famous Christmas facts and records. A more recent record for the largest artificial Christmas tree was set in Dubai, which was artificial and made in 2018, standing at 51.8 meter, around 170 feet tall. The most expensive Christmas gift ever given was the History Supreme, a solid yacht valued at $4.5 billion. It was reportedly given as a gift to a Malaysian businessman. The largest Christmas stocking ever made was 106 feet long, 32.9 meters and 49 feet. It was displayed in Italy in December 2011. The largest Christmas tree ever recorded was in Christiansburg, Arizona in 1950. It measured an incredible 221 feet and 67 meters. The longest Christmas carol marathon was performed by a group of singers in the Philippines in December 2011. They called the carol continuously for around 200 hours. A Christmas tree in Dubai in 2019 was valued at $15 million, decorated with diamond sapphires and other precious stones. The longest Christmas stocking is 1042 meter, that is 3418 feet long, created in people of London, UK in 2007. Now I would like to pass the mic to Aditya Kaushik.
Now, at last but not least, I would like to say that Christmas is much more than just a holiday. It's a time for reflection, celebration, and spreading joy, and encourage us to appreciate the values of family and community. Whether through traditions, family gathering, or act of kindness, the essence of Christmas remains the same: love, togetherness, and goodwill towards others. Thank you. Merry Christmas to all, and may the joy of season continue to inspire peace, happiness, and hope in the heart of people everywhere. Thank you, Jai Hind.
Thank you.
Now after this, I'd like to request Principal Sir to come up on the stage and say a few words on this occasion. So please.
Respected teachers, staff, and my dear cadets. Today we have congregated here to celebrate two occasions. First one is the Christmas Day celebration. The Christmas Day celebration is the celebration of joy, giving, learning the humanity, being a good human being. Any religion in this world teaches us to become a good human being. And so as the Christmas Day also. Now coming on, the second aspect of, second occasion for the celebration is the birth anniversary of our beloved Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji. What a wonderful presentation was shown by the cadets, who was born on 25th of December 1924. He has laid his life for this country. The visionary leader, great politician. He was the one who has empowered our country by nuclear explosion. With the nuclear explosion, the neighboring countries and other adversaries, they knew the power of this country. That if they go for any misadventure, they will be sorted out. Another great initiative which was taken by Sri Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji was Golden Quadrilateral. That was the scheme. That was the scheme with which the transportation, the road transportation has got the fillip, and in turn the economy. So today we remember the great leader so that we get motivated, we get inspired, we get inspiration to at least do what they have done, at least think about our great leaders. My compliments to the cadets to the staff, to the teachers, those who have supported the cadets for wonderful presentation. If I ask a question, how many of you were aware about the Christmas Day celebration and about the great leader Sri Atal Bihari Vajpayee before today's event? Please raise your hand. Whatever was shown in the slide, you all were very much aware about each and everything? None. Good. So, whatever was shown, please try to memorize, remember by heart. This will be of some use in your competitive examination. The first hurdle will be your NDA, and afterwards, there are so many competitive examinations. This knowledge will not go waste. With this presentation, the cadets, they try and give challenge to themselves by memorizing. When the cadet, they come on the stage, they remove their fear factor. So my humble request, anybody who is getting opportunity, he must come on the stage. There was one cadet, he was shivering, but I assure you, if he will regularly come here on the stage, that will become his second habit. And that is what is the great aspect of a leader. He will develop this leadership skill. So once again, Merry Christmas to you all. Thank you so much and Jai Hind.